Welcome students, welcome to the English workbook class. Today we are going to discuss the unit number 10. So comes to the reading comprehension part. Here you can see text 1. This is a very short text. Go through the text and then answer the subsequent questions. There are 3 MCQ type question and then 2 short answer type question. Now comes to the text 2. This is also a passage, and after reading the passage very carefully, try to answer the following questions. After that, we will come to the vocabulary part. So in vocabulary part, match the phrasal verb in column A with the meanings in column B. So in the column A, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 phrasal verb, and we have to match this phrasal verb with the column B. Then rewrite the following words by removing the suffix age. Okay, so after removing the suffix age, we have to write the word like carriage. So the word will be carry, and likewise we have to answer the question. Next, number 3, rewrite the following words by adding suffix full. So as we know that first answer will be beautiful, then colorful, and you have to answer in this manner. Now we are coming to the listening part, because this type of grammar or editing part is not included in our syllabus. So in listening part, there is also another passage. So all you have to do, you have to read the passage very carefully, and then you need to try to answer the questions. Okay, you can easily answer the question, and the speaking part is not included in our syllabus, so we can omit for the time being. Thank you. See you in the next workbook class.